that just pops up in 2 seconds. But, you know, some of us buy cheap houses too, so if you're out there, that wasn't intended for you.
Hey, I'm gonna welcome, let me get this thing. I'm gonna welcome, apparently we're being streamed online, so if you wanna do anything real crazy, you know, you can do it. So there's some, I think my mother's watching, and she lives in Prospect Harbor, Maine, so that's kind of cool. Sardines. Well,
How do you know
well
that?
played, Duncan. Sardines. Stinsons.
Was that your crazy thing for the night?
You're so crazy, man.
Raise your hand if you like sardines. Is that it? I'm the only one in this whole room. You're right. I know you're out there. I know you like sardines and you're lying.
Hold me down. So you can see the painted ground, and we'll be free. Across the land, just to learn, string a key with what they took. Thank y'all.
Thanks, Joe.
Here we go.
Thanks, everybody.
Yes, thanks for listening and being kind.
We have to take it back a little bit to our old record. We're gonna tune first. So I think somebody may be even coming around with a bucket for the donations. That's what I was told. So if you see a bucket laying around, as long as it doesn't have cigarettes in it or something, toss a bucket in. Asking for a walk. Let's leave the bombshells in the mountain. We'll put on both our paths. She's asking for a walk. Darling, please lay your fingers close to mine. Let's waste away tonight. Leave our defense to the fabric in between us and them. Us and them. Us and them. Us and them. Lose ourselves in greenery, a smoky crimson sky, nature's troubles that pulled you close to me. We'll lose ourselves in greenery. Come on. Darling, please lay your fingers close in mine. Let's waste away tonight. Love, leave our defense to the fabric in between us and them. Us and them. Us and them. Down. Us and them. moss and mud. Let's waste away tonight, love. Leave our defense to the fabric in between us and them. Us and them. Us and them, them, them. Us and them. Us and them, them, them. Us and them. Us and them, them, them. Us and them. Thank you.
Thanks.
Everybody doing all right? It's good to be.
That sounded good. That means we might be able to play the next song.
Oh gosh, here we go. All right, no more talking. I got to concentrate on this sucker. Allie, go ahead. Give me the old X play.
Don't make it too long, you know, we have to look like professionals.
We're gonna try a new song for y'all. This is gonna be the first time ever for anybody else's ears. We'll see what happens. We're only doing it because we love you. Bam, there it is. I was fishing for it.
This is so new. A couple weeks new. But it's gonna be fun.
Where did you go, my statue friend? When'd you become a marionette? And how do you stand when the curtains close out of your moon?
Where did you go, my downtown street? Your window box is flowered and neat. Where do I stand? Should I be running, friend, or should I shake your hand?
Is the frame too wide? Has it made me empty? Did you shake and will this make me lonely? But man, what a thrill. It's the life I built, it's the one you'll die for. She's got some kinks. She's got some kinks, but she'll play. She'll play. That'll play.
We just needed something new. We've been playing kind of the same stuff, and I don't know.
What's next, Wiz?
I've been working on my speech all night. It just doesn't come out when I get up here. This next song is called Widow's Walk. Keep it simple.
Worry about it. Hey, Rob, can we get a bit more guitar? This one's getting a little bit quieter here. Rob's back there. Rob and Mars, two very cool gentlemen.
Thank you, guys. So we have a couple more for you. Stick around for this one. It's cool.
Hey, we're due it to Julia, by the way, but just throwing it out there. Perfect, Rob. Thank you. I'll bury you in that old coat made of wool knit across your knees. On the mud flats off the stone coast, a bottle broke the bow you took to the sea. While the others return with their holes full, you waited patiently, twisting thread between your thumbnail. Oh, the dread you held between your teeth. Stands tall on the old wharf. Now he's screaming out for me. And she's knee deep in the white surf, waiting for her sign to leave. To leave. Perfect.
Thanks. We have one more for you. And then we'll be joining you to do some dancing.
Can I get that shaker?
Ben Lovett's coming up next. I've heard a lot of things. I've seen some cool videos. I'm ready to rock out in person.
And of course, Holy Ghost Tent Revival is coming
To
up.
follow and to wrap it and close it and mail it with a bow.
Some damn good looking gentlemen. All right, this is the last one for us. Thank you all. We'll see you in July sometime, I think. Belshare, we're playing at Belshare's. And at the lab, July 15th. Thanks, Rob. We're gonna tune up real quick, and as I tune, waste so much time. This next tune, there's a little demo track out there by the donations table. Just throw in $1 for the relief effort, and you can just take one of those demos with you. It's got a couple tunes on it. We don't have any more CDs, unfortunately, but there you are. All right, back in action.
Oh, yeah.
I believe that I'm a writer, so I'm bound to a single page. And you're not just a pen and a piece of paper. You're a dog-eared book, grown old with age. I've got a friend with a golden table, and he dines with the best of men. See, he'd buy you that silver mirror if you could see that it's only sand. I once dreamed that I was a poet, but I had to fill an entire page, sipping coffee at the edge of nightfall, kissing you under summer rain, love. You feel the fire when you close door. Now you feed the fire when you close the door. You feed the fire when you close the door. Now you feed the fire when you close the door. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
Stick around, everybody. Thank you all so much. Take care.